welcome back to my channel. I am just so happy today. The weather is giving me life. This warm weather, it's giving me like summer vibes, spring vibes. I am so ready for it to warm up. It's already warm. I live in California, so it's like 80 degrees, 85 degrees, so it kind of feels like spring already. Comment down below where you guys, like what state you guys live in, and if it's cold or hot. I would love to know. But today I'm going to be doing my current favorites, so everything that I am loving as far as skincare, makeup, cleansers, all of that good stuff, everything that I have been loving lately. Yeah, so if you guys haven't already, or if you are new to my channel, please subscribe down below, and that would be awesome. You guys can watch my videos, and if you guys like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. And I will be telling you guys everywhere where I got these. They're not super hard to find. So yeah, I'm super excited to do this video because I'm like just obsessed with these things. So let's get on into it. So to start off, I'm gonna start off with makeup, why I love it, where I got it, everything like that. So I think my number one that has changed my makeup game, I'm gonna start with primer. So I use the Professional by Benefit, and I actually use this just a tiny bit because if you use too much, it'll ball up and it looks really gross. So I use just a tiny bit just on my pores, just a tiny bit, and on my nose. This primer has literally changed the game, like my makeup game. This is the Becca First Light Priming Filter. Oh, one second. Okay, so you can actually get this one at Sephora or Ulta. But next, so this primer right here is amazing. You can get this from Sephora or Ulta. So this primer is a hydrating primer. Makes my makeup last all day. It is purple. It smells so good. I forgot what this has in it. This primer is literally great. I want to say this has like something in it for like plumping up the skin. Don't quote me on it, but I think so. But this literally, my skin is combo right now, so it's like oily on my T-zone and dry everywhere else, and this just like hydrates me. It makes my makeup go on way smoother, way nicer. If you are super oily, you might not like this, but if you are combo or have dry skin, definitely try this out. It's going to smooth your skin, it's going to hydrate your skin, which is going to make your makeup go on a lot better. So love this. I want to say it's like $36. So my next thing that I have been loving as far as makeup goes is Dose of Colors. I've never tried one of their lipsticks, and I just picked up this one from Ulta. I got it on Ulta online because they were all sold out at my store, and this is the color Knock on Wood. I'm actually wearing it right now. It is like the perfect brown nude color for my skin tone because all the other nudes out there are like no bueno. Yeah, so I don't know, I don't really. And this is like the applicator. They are so comfortable to wear. They last like all day. It will start kind of like wearing off in the middle when I'm eating and stuff like that, but for the most part, I love this. You can find that at Ulta or like online at Dose of Colors. So the next thing that has just changed the game as well for me is the All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray by Urban Decay. I know this is an oldie? I know this is an oldie but a goodie, but this spray is so, you guys, this spray is so nice. It makes my makeup last all day, sets it in place, and it really just helps make the powder blend in with the liquids and everything. It just makes it look amazing. You can find this at Ulta or Sephora as well. Next thing that has changed my makeup game, I keep saying this because it just, it is the YSL All Hours Foundation. Looks like this. This foundation is like amazing. It does not get cakey on me, and all foundations get cakey on me. It looks like skin. You can build it up, you can wear it natural. This foundation is like everything. It is $58. You can find this at Sephora or like ysl.com or whatever. Okay, so I haven't been like, I wouldn't say that I love this, but this is really good. So this is the Hoola Contour Stick by Benefit Cosmetics. That's what it looks like. It's not too much product in there, but it blends really well. This is a very natural looking contour stick. I put this on, it makes me look like I just have a natural, like, all over glow. But it is a little bit warm tone, which I don't like. I wish it was a little bit more cool toned, because I'm not crazy about the really like warm toned looks, but it is great, blends really easily. Another one of my favorites is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I have used this before, but the first time that I used this, I felt like it was like a little bit too drying, and it kind of made me look like white. Like I wasn't like sure about it. I really liked it, but I don't know, so I didn't rebuy it again. I bought the Airspun, but that was like so drying on my skin. Didn't really look flattering, so I got this one again, and I love it. I love it. The color is perfect. It has like a little bit of like a yellow tint to it. I love it. Makes me look airbrush. It's so easier to bake with it, set my makeup. I love this product. So that was another one of my favorites. You can find this at Sephora. They do not sell it at Ulta. This has been my favorite like forever, but honestly, I love this product. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop, you guys. This is honestly one of my all-time favorite highlighters. It is just freaking beautiful. Like, what? Oh my god. Can we just take a minute right now? Like, this is literally beautiful. The color is amazing, especially if you're tan, a woman of color. This is gonna look stunning on you because it's just literally like, it is beautiful. Another, so this has been my favorite for years. I have used this product for probably, let me see, 3 to 4 years now, since I was like 16, and I'm 20 now. My tried and my true, I have bought like 3 or 4 of these. The Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I will never stop using this. I freaking love it. They last forever. I know how to work with it. I'm using medium brown. I might go to dark brown, I think. Whatever the shade is. Yeah, dark brown. But this product is freaking amazing. I have literally worn this, jumped into a pool, full face of makeup, brows are still there. Like, this does not go anywhere. Whether I set it or I don't set it, it lasts all freaking day, and I love this product. For my skincare products, what I have been loving. Okay, so this eye cream I've been using is pretty darn good. It is the It's Potent Eye Cream from Benefit. Honestly, like, this product really just like hydrates my under eyes. I can't live without an eye cream anymore, and this one is really good. And the fact that this eye cream is only $34 is like freaking amazing. As far as skincare goes, I am obsessed with this line. I love it. So as you guys know, I do have dark scarring on my face from like acne from previously, so I've been trying to fade it. And let me show you guys my favorite products. I love these products. They do not over dry my skin, they don't irritate my skin. I have used like Proactive before, and my skin was literally like peeling off. It was so gross. This is so gentle. Oh, I love this line, and it's so inexpensive. So this is the Mario Badescu Glycolic Acid Toner. This toner is so nice. Refresh, exfoliate, and help soften the look of fine lines and wrinkles with our alcohol-free glycolic acid toner. Glycolic acid and grapefruit extract work together to help dull, tired skin look fresh and rejuvenated. Formulated with aloe vera to help soothe your skin. So this kind of like gently exfoliates. I use this every day and every night, and I have noticed a difference like in my scarring, like a slight difference. I've been using this for, I want to say like a month and a half now, maybe 2 months. I'm not really sure, but have noticed a good difference in this product. You can find these at Ulta. Another product that I use, so I use this about 2 to 3 times a week. My skin, surprisingly, even though I break out, it's not sensitive at all. Put anything on my skin, it will not break me out or anything, or like irritate it. This is the Mario Badescu Glycolic Foaming Cleanser. This cleanser, I just like when I use this, I feel like it's like a deep clean. It gets like, I feel like all the dirt and everything is gone. It is a foaming cleanser, which I love. So I put a little bit on my Clarisonic. Working into the skin, I just feel like it works wonders. Like, I seriously love this product. Again, because this is glycolic based, you do not want to use this every day. This one's gentle enough to use every day. This one though, if you use it every day, your skin might freak out because you're over exfoliating, chemically exfoliating with this, so that's great. And now, this has been like, I love this. It gives me, this is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe and rose water. This sprays everything. First off, it smells just like natural rose water, which I love. I don't like fake scented things. Like, no. So good. It is so cheap. Like, this is $7 and I think the big one is $12. I have to go get more. I spray this on every time before I do my makeup and before I go to bed after my skincare products, and I am good to go. Like, this just intensifies the hydration. Makes your skin feel so soft when you wake up in the morning. It just feels great. I even put this on. I work at Ulta at the benefit counter, but I even like will spray this on during the day to just refresh my skin, which I love. Next, what I have been loving. Okay, so there are two things. So this is the Fresh Lotus Youth Prefer Face Cream with Super 7 Complex. I love this. It gives me hydration, smooths my skin. It smells like cucumbers, and it is just so fresh when you put it on. Like, it is so fresh and it fits my aesthetic. If you guys haven't seen my room, everything is white. I just, this is so good. I actually used to not like this product that much. This is the Belief Aqua Bomb. I used to not like this that much. However, I actually tried this again on my face, and it literally like just gave me intense hydration, like intense. And before, I felt like it didn't give me intense hydration. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll put this one on under my makeup so that it just, my makeup goes on smoother, and then I use this one at night. But these are both very good creams if you are looking for one. And then I have eyelash extensions I need to fill, don't judge. But to take off my like, so I use Shape Tape obviously all over my eye, and to take that off you want to use something that is oil free. So I have been loving the Garnier Micellar Water Cleansing Water. This is so good. It removes literally everything, breaks down everything. This is no oil, no alcohol, no fragrance, yes. And I love this. This is so, okay, this is so good. I just have the mini because I just use it around my eyes. For the rest, I use a makeup wipe. Another skincare favorite, this freaking face wash is so freaking good. This is the Clarins One Step Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser. It literally smells like oranges. This has orange extract. This is literally so freaking good. It's gentle enough to use every day, but I don't use it every day. Sometimes I use it like in the morning, and I actually ran out. This is empty. I have to go get more. They do have a big one. This is a little bit pricey. This you can get from Ulta. So this is the Aromatherapy Recharge from Bath & Body Works. It has sage and mint with natural essential oils, body wash, foam wash, whatever. This is literally so freaking, it smells amazing. Like, every time I take a shower, I just like literally like dose myself in this, and it's so good. So sage oil helps you feel refreshed. Mint oil sharpens your senses. This, when I take a shower, I feel so freaking fresh. I just like put this on a loofah, scrub it all over, and it's so nice and clean smelling and refreshing, and I freaking love this product. You find this at Bath & Body Works. I will be picking up a lot more of these. And there's also a matching cream with it as well that I love. Like, this has literally changed my shower game. I've never loved showers more than I freaking love them now. Next, it's a little weird, but deodorant. I love deodorant, obviously. We all need deodorant, but this is the Secret Paris Rose deodorant. This smells so freaking good. Like, it is so good. I love this. Invisible Solid, Secret Rose. I believe they have it in the gel formula as well, which I hate the gel formulas, but this is so good, and I'm pretty sure you can find this anywhere. I got mine from Target. They also have it at Walmart. And then to tie up my favorites, this is an oldie but a goodie. So my old beauty blender was so gross, but I kept using it. I wash it every time I use it though. It was just really old and I felt like it wasn't applying the makeup like I wanted to, so I bought a new one. I just used it right now. So it's a little bit dirty, but the beauty blender literally applies your makeup like no other flawlessly. I just like pounce it on and I swear it does better than any single brush. So just make sure that you keep your beauty blender nice and clean throughout the times that you are using it. Is there anything else that I have been loving lately? I'm checking on my phone to see if I missed anything. I think that's it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're wondering why I'm wearing the same shirt, I just filmed a video before this and I didn't really want to change my shirt. So those are all my favorite products, all my current favorites right now. I hope you guys like this video. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you guys have any of these products and you use them differently or you use them the same, let me know how you use them, what you use, what you love. Any suggestions based on what I showed you guys of what I should try, leave a comment. I would love to know. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you can get notifications when I upload. You can also turn on post notifications if you want to, and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I will see you guys later in my next video. I hope you guys all have a beautiful, beautiful day, and I will see you guys later. Okay, bye.